So fixing SSL pending error in your Shopify store is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to show you how to fix SSL pending error in your Shopify store. So for that, you have to go to this website, which is Namecheap, and in Namecheap website you have to log into your account first. After logging into your account, you will see your account option, something like that. You just have to click on that option, and then you have to click on dashboard. After going to the dashboard, you will see a page something like that. Now here you have to go to the domain list. After clicking on domain list, you will see this page. You just have to click on this manage icon. After clicking on manage, you will see something like that. Now here you have to scroll down, and after scrolling down, you just have to select this option, URL redirect record, and delete it. After deleting this option, you guys need to log out of your account or refresh the page and wait for almost an hour. After waiting an hour, your problem for SSL error should be fixed. So that's pretty much it. That's how we do it. Hope you guys found this video helpful.